Hello guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to configure router. Let's drag and drop PT router. In switches, drag and drop PT switch. We need two switches. Under end devices, drag and drop two PCs for switch 0 and another two PCs for switch 1. Connect the PCs to the switches. Now connect the switch to router. Let's configure PCs. Open up the desktop, select IP configuration, give IPv4 address, that is 10.10.10.1. Press stop for automatically fill up the subnet mask. Give gateway address, that is 10.10.10.0. Do the same thing for other PC having the same gateway address but different IP4 address, that is 10.10.10.2. Give subnet mask. For gateway, give the same address, that is 10.10.0. For the another PCs, give different IP address, that is 20.20.20.1 and subnet mask. This PC is in the different LAN, so let's give a different gateway address, that is 20.20.20.0. Come to the desktop, give IP configuration 20.20.2. Gateway is 20.20.20.0. After configuring the PC, let's configure the router. For this LAN, that is fast Ethernet 0/0. Come to this fast Ethernet/0 under config tab. Click on port on. Give IP4 address as the default gateway, that is 10.10.10.0. Press tab for automatically fill up the subnet mask. Close this. For the second LAN, which is connected to fast Ethernet 1/0, click on router under config tab, fast Ethernet 1/0. Click on port on. We have to give the IP address as the default gateway, that is 20.20.20.0 and the subnet mask. Close the window. Let's send the packets from PC0 to PC1. Successful. PC2 to PC3. It's also successful. From PC0 to PC2, it will be failed for the first time. Do it again, it will be successful. From PC1 to PC3, for the first time it will fail. Do it again, so it will be successful. Let's try it in simulation mode. From PC0 to PC2, I will click on the simulation. Click on play. PC will send packets to switch 0, then switch 0 to router 0, then router 0 to switch 1, switch 1 to PC2. After receiving the packets, switch 2 will send packets to switch 1, then switch 1 to router 0, then router 0 to switch 0, then switch 0 to PC0. Thank you for watching, guys.